Welcome back to our new podcast. New episode to our podcast. Episode 4, and locations changed, everything's changed, and it's pretty obvious ki we are in a football turf. So yeah, as you might have seen the thumbnail already, ki it's all about football today. And yeah, football, the next big thing in India.
Probably,
Yes.
definitely
cricket.
the next big thing after cricket. Or probably it's going to take above cricket eventually in the coming years.
In coming 100 years.
Yeah.
40 years. I'll give
40 years is too soon, but
soon, yeah.
Yeah, eventually
Maybe.
it'll be above cricket.
yeah, so
3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to another episode of our 101 podcast. Not discussing the problems at hand. That's what.
Yeah, so how important
we also have our international guest appearance today. Can you say your name, please?
Ikshit.
Where are you from, Ikshit?
I'm from Bangalore, but I've lived in Indonesia for 8 years.
More than 8 years. And yeah,
And my
next
name is
guest,
Mohammed Mehran. I'm from Bangalore itself.
our own local BIT boy. If you have seen him play in any of the football grounds, I am not surprised. Then myself is PDB, and we don't have our Manit Ritwan today. He is not feeling well. Ask him why.
right.
Next episode we'll let to know.
Yeah.
We have our old friend here, Akash.
I'm the sports guy, the
Yeah.
sports podcast guy.
Sports podcast guy.
Just extremely jobless. I'll watch whatever. It's fine.
Any sport, you're just like having all
Yeah,
the
yeah,
details.
fine. A lacrosse tournament, I'll watch it.
That's good.
Okay, so coming to talking about football, how did you guys start playing about football? Like, what was the initial thing which went you be like, yeah, football?
Football, well, back in Indonesia, football was the only sport, main sport. Everyone used to play football. So that's how we started playing football, friends, apartment, school.
But then you, I know you what position you play, but then you play goalkeeper. Why that?
To be honest, I wasn't good at any other position, so they just put me the goalkeeper, and I was good at it, and I continued playing as goalkeeper. Simple.
Yeah, Akash, you? What about you?
Robin Van Persie.
Robin Van Persie.
See,
yeah.
the Flying Dutchman.
Yeah. Robin Van Persie was the first guy I saw, and it was like a poster in Brigade Road, I guess, back in the day in the Nike showroom. I was like, so then I saw Robin Van Persie, and then I saw the shirt he was wearing. And then when I came back later home, and then I started watching some Arsenal games, and then I fell in love with Arsenal. out of all the clubs.
Unfortunately.
That's bad.
Unfortunately, he was wearing a Arsenal shirt. I would hope so much that he would wear a Netherlands shirt, but then
Yeah, I
unfortunately he was
expected
wearing
the way he
Yeah,
told me
United
it would be a
shirt.
Netherlands
yeah.
shirt.
No.
Because
Or
that
even
time-
Man United shirt.
yeah, Man United,
No,
yeah.
Man United shirt.
Nice.
The last thing I wanted to hear.
Wow.
But then we were good still, and like
Still,
it's
back
a
in
the day,
major
yeah,
love-hate
back in the day.
relationship with Van Persie. Obviously, I love Arsenal, but then yeah. So Van Persie, and then of course the Netherlands 2010 World Cup team. Obviously they lost in the finals, but then because of Van Persie, then I saw all these other guys like Ian Robben and stuff, and then I saw the Spain's national team, and then I saw Fabregas there, and then I saw him at Arsenal. I'm like, oh, you can play for two teams like that, because obviously you don't know. You grow up watching cricket in India. For you, everything is new.
Yeah.
So then, so because of this, I started watching football, and I hadn't played any football till like 5th grade, and then after that,
yeah.
till 5th grade, and then after that, I just from 6th grade I started playing, took it seriously, and then just kept on. From then on, I've just played football properly, and others are there.
Sixth is still early, I feel. Like for an Indian kid, sixth is fine.
Yeah.
I started playing when I was in 9th. Till 9th, I had no idea. Like I was a like proper cricket fan. Every person, Australia, England, India, that's all I knew about cricket. And then later on, I realized my first game, ironically, was the Champions League final. Real Madrid played. That is why I support Real Madrid. Cristiano Ronaldo's goal.
And that's when
That
you
thing
like.
I remember. That is all I have in my head. And then after when I started, and then me being Bengali, the Bengali blood, all that thing you can say. But then that's how I got hitched to football, and then I started like in my apartment also. Like
But then
people
it
used
was
to
a
play football.
late realization for
Huh.
you that 9th grade coming to your 9th and then like this one.
Yeah. Then what about you, MD?
Oh, I started in Baldwin's. So football was treated like not a game, it was an emotion.
Yeah.
So starting from 2nd grade onwards, I've been playing football for school and started playing for the school junior team from 6th grade, the middle team and then the senior team. So back then it was all about football from the starting. So now it's still continuing, playing for my college team and all. Back then like football was like not like completely football. It used to be like okay, some guys are just playing, kicking the ball around and all. But now everyone's like, okay, people are starting to understand the game.
Yeah, they want to
Yeah.
learn the game.
There's too much fan base for all these local clubs and local teams and all now.
Especially in the south, we are in Bangalore right
Yes,
of
yes.
now. Especially like your Kerala is known for football. All
Yeah.
the Mallu fans.
They
ever
treat
here.
it like this one. Football is
Yeah,
something very
it's like-
different.
It's
You
a
go-
religion for them.
Yeah,
kind of,
football
in a
is
sense.
religion there.
And then you have your Tamilians. They play mad football.
Yeah.
The moment you say Tamilians are playing, you look at their game. The chemistry is too good.
Yeah, it's like blind passes. They know where people
Yeah,
are. We
exactly.
play these local tournaments also when we go to.
Too good.
We see them. We're like, okay, we're already thinking they're gonna beat us 3 up, 2 up. We're already
We're like,
decided.
we'll be chasing the ball every
Yeah.
time they get. And then slightly Bangalore, BFC winning they're coming to ISL, they're winning. They reached all, like, I guess, full.
The major leagues.
They are major leagues. They kept on winning, so that also has grown. Goa, already known for football, the Portuguese blood, too good. Yeah,
South
so
has a pretty good, decent
Yeah.
Fan base for football.
Yeah, yeah.
North is catching
Starting,
up.
yeah.
But then
Northeast is.
Yeah, North
North
has
is
already
football
been like for football. Like.
yeah,
Yeah,
north, yeah, that's what I'm saying. The south and the northeast
east,
part, the
yeah.
Bengal, East Bengal, Mohan Bagan, all those.
Most of the Indian players in the Indian team are from the northeast only.
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So you can see that.
Chetri,
Like,
he's from
Che-
northeast.
yeah, Bhutia, Baichung Bhutia.
Mad
You
player.
can't forget him.
Huh.
Right, the guy.
The Indian stone of football.
Yeah.
And then you have this guy, like this time Mumbai winning. I hope Mumbai gets some football fans.
Yes.
I know Mumbai Indians is a strong team, but not IPL. Now we are talking
talking
about,
about football.
Yes. So yeah, talking about league football, we know what is going on right now. Champions League,
League.
you can already see
Yes.
the tension is on. I am Real Madrid fan, so I am happy. I am very happy. We have our player Bayern. Would you want to say something?
Nothing much. They played well. They played well.
can't say
Hopefully
because-
there's a comeback.
How
But-
can you say they played well? Like, did you expect it?
Huh?
I watched Bayern game. I expect after last time's performance, looking at their last time's run, they beat everyone. 8-2 Barcelona.
no.
They beat 8-2 to Barcelona. That's a whole new thing.
Yeah.
Arsenal got beat 8-2 to Man United.
Man
That's
United.
different.
Different.
But still, 8-2 to Barcelona. That's a
That was
whole
a
new
complete
thing.
different thing.
Looking to that, they even played PSG in the finals, and then again they lose 3-2. That was like very shocking to me.
We were unlucky, that I have to say. We were a little unlucky.
Yeah.
Defense was shit, but up front we were unlucky.
Up front, yeah, you were
We were
unlucky.
very unlucky,
You
but-
had the injuries also.
We
Yeah,
had injuries,
Robert Lewandowski
missing out
didn't play.
Lewandowski.
Gnabry COVID positive.
Yeah.
Nicolas Sule and Goretzka coming off early
Huh.
in the first half. But one thing I can't take away is Mbappe and Neymar played a lovely game. Navas in front of goal.
PSG.
sure.
Navas was the wall.
Yeah,
Would you class him as like easily top 3 PSG players right now?
Yeah.
Or, okay, no, let me change the question. Where does he stand for you as the best goalkeeper in the world argument right now? Keylor Navas.
I
See-
think he's probably coming after Neuer, obviously. But then you see the graph of Navas. It went down and it's suddenly shooting up.
Yeah.
But Neuer has less Champions Leagues.
Yeah, but then coming to World Cup basis also, you
World
see
Cup-
on the overall aspect.
Yeah,
Neuer
international
is like the
also.
wall of Germany and Bayern.
But see, Navas is playing for Costa Rica. That's not a big World
Yes.
Cup team. Looking at his performance, he's played for Real Madrid. So he's already
Got
he's
a good exposure.
Yeah. And now he's playing for PSG. He's already made a Champions League final. And they are looking like they're making one more Champions League final. It's-
Yeah, I
unless
hope
and
so they do that.
See, they're facing City.
They might face City.
They
That is
might
also-
face City. Yeah, that's again one more thing.
One more thing.
So they have almost the third best odds.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So Navas is already like that will be his what 5th Champions League final in like 5 years, 6 years,
7
6
years.
years. Okay, 6-7 years.
yeah.
That's pretty good.
Down the lane, I can see Navas being the top goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Because like you see his consistency, the whole team depending on him, the PSG defense and
Yeah.
all. I thought like Bayern's defense and the goalkeeping was the solid wall for Bayern's proper winning chances. But then Mbappe, Neymar's assist. Bayern
Neymar's
tried
assist
to
was
do that
too
offside
good, yeah.
trap and they just flicked it over that and the guy just
Marquinhos
shoot.
didn't even move.
Yeah.
He just got the ball, placed it in Bayern.
Exactly.
But yeah, talking about Bayern's defense, Neuer. Last season, Neuer was off the charts. He was too good.
Yes.
This season he's not been that good. Will that be the reason that they don't qualify?
I don't say it's Neuer. It's mainly because we were caught off guard. We were completely naive. We were like we were a little reckless up back. We were thinking that we beat them in the Champions League final. So if we played the same way we did, and we were expecting them to play the same way, and we got caught off guard. Well, obviously they changed the way they played. They brought in a different approach
Yes.
with the new manager. And
Yeah, but
everything,
with what
new
you said,
manager and
actually,
everything.
you know how you said like Neuer, could that be a reason why they go out? But what we are now ignoring is seeing that they had like 25 shots on goal.
Yes.
The thing is now, as soon as you concede an away goal or away goals like Bayern have done,
3.
yeah, like 3 away goals, that's very huge. As soon as you do that, now you don't look at the forwards, and you know we usually don't blame them. But then actually it is true, we didn't expect Neuer to, you know, perform that bad against PSG.
Like the
In a
first
sense, he
goal
could have
which
saved
let
the first
out
goal.
was the first goal was a
this
very
thing.
okay. I won't say it was easy. It was for him it would have been very easy.
Yeah.
I'm pretty
He could have
sure
put in some
Mbappe
more
didn't want to
effort to
aim it.
block that goal. or
Yeah,
something,
it touched him and went off.
Yes.
I think Neuer was
expecting
him
it to go
to
a
shoot
bit more
far
further,
post.
but he was too a bit near to the near post.
Yeah.
That is also there.
Okay, talking about what is the next game? Talking about Man City and Dortmund.
Yeah.
50
I
chances.
see Dortmund having an upper hand because Haaland is like a beast for them.
Yeah, but Haaland did score.
Yeah, but then you've seen Haaland playing
He did
consistency.
assist.
Yeah, yeah.
No, no.
Consistency wise, I'm hoping Haaland does something in this match so that he catches Guardiola's attention.
One more thing is, past 4 seasons, Pep's downfall in all the second leg matches.
Overthinking.
all the tactics.
Exactly.
So that could be another factor for Man City going
You
out
think
early
you can put that down to
again.
like overconfidence? Because he rotated a lot against Lyon in
Yeah,
last
he
season's
changed the full
Champions League
formation. He
knockouts.
was testing out everything.
Yeah.
Yeah,
against
but
Lyon last
Guardiola is
season.
known for testing and coming out with the best
Yeah,
solution for these kind of situations.
But
Yeah.
that best solution might not be
yeah,
the best
sometimes
solution on
might
that
not
night.
be
For the
exactly.
night,
But I don't know what he's thinking, what he's going to do in this next match, which is a crucial match for them.
Okay,
So-
let me put it out here. If at this point of time, if I say ki you have to bet all your money on one team, what would it be?
I would go with Man City.
Even me being Madrid fan, I would say Man City.
City.
Even though I like Haaland and expecting him to do something, I feel Man City might pull out this game because you have this Kevin De Bruyne.
Yeah, he is
The
just
ultimate vision of the whole
class,
team.
yeah.
Like,
And
He's
he's been
like-
rested in the
Exactly.
league games. And pretty much, I think it's safe to say City have won the league this year as well.
yeah,
City's
probably
won
they're
the
gonna win the league definitely.
Yeah.
they have the chance to win the quadruple this year.
Yeah.
I think this is the chance Pep has the opportunity to shut everyone up and say, see, I can win it I won it in Barcelona.
I
I can
do
win it over here also.
Exactly.
I think this is potentially the best chance for City in all those years to win that, you know, elusive quadruple. Or at least, I'm pretty sure they can win the double if they get that UCL.
Yeah.
And FA Cup and their annual, they need to win the Carabao Cup every year.
Yeah,
Anyway.
they
They've been
If
doing
they
it for the
don't
past
win
3
that,
years.
Yeah,
it's their
what's the
ship.
point of the
I know,
total?
If they
exactly.
don't win it, it's going to be a shock, pretty much. So yeah, I
And
expect
City
them.
says that Aguero is going to leave their team only when he's going to win the Champions League. So do you
Uh-huh.
think this might be the year when they
This could
win and
be like-
Aguero is going to walk out from City with
It'll be the
a
best way
very
to
good
walk out.
response?
What if he does what he did in the league when they won the
Oh,
league?
yeah,
He does
you
that
can
in the
never
last
know that.
minute, and he'll become City's best ever player
They should, make
automatically.
they should make a statue of him outside City. And
They're
then,
already
like,
making one.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, nice.
that's a good
He
thing.
deserves
I
one.
know.
His company and Silva.
Company.
Wow,
yes.
company, the
Yeah.
man, the
Yeah.
difference.
You know, even though we everyone teases City about it being a plastic cup and things like that, but we have now seen what City will be for the next generations. We have seen the start of that team.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have seen them grow up with all these new players like David Silva, Aguero, even though it pains to say it, like Samir Nasri or some players like that. But yeah, I think City they look the most likely team to go on and win it, but then it's the Champions League jitters, so City.
Like last year also,
may not.
if you would have placed your money, it would have been two teams, Bayern or City.
Yes.
City didn't even make the semi-finals.
Yeah.
Are we doing the same thing again?
No.
Like last season, I was properly confident that City will actually win the Champions League. I have more confidence.
I was sure that the way Bayern was playing and killing in
Yeah.
every match.
After
like,
8-2, I was like, I
Yeah.
don't care. Bayern has
I
to
just
win.
felt like
Exactly.
it'll be like 8-2, and then I thought that's where they peaked. But then they were too clinical. They were very good last season. You couldn't find a fault in
But
them.
last season we had one leg.
Yeah,
They
that's-
have two
two
legs.
yeah, this
Back
can
to-
be a turnover for all the teams.
Yeah.
They have another
Yeah.
potential chance of winning and
Coming back,
Yeah.
Come
back possibilities.
It's something like, if you're a City supporter, I can tell you that, your City is not a good team and we can easily win. But inside, I know the guilt and the
Yeah,
feeling
yeah.
that,
Yeah.
fuck, City is actually
Really
going to win it.
Yeah.
Ritwan not here, but still he's a City fan, so he'll be loving this part. He's a big City fan.
Every City fan is gonna love this
I
part.
know,
So we are
exactly.
praising City and like it's actually a fact.
You
Yeah.
can hate City, but you can't not acknowledge
Deny the
City.
City
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah,
yes.
you can't not acknowledge. You know that there is always a threat of them scoring.
Yes.
The fact
Well,
is,
everything.
what I like about City is not in footballing parts. The thing is, we grew up listening to all these big names: Barcelona, Manchester United, Real Madrid, Ajax. They already had their history.
Yes.
We have gone behind to see what their history is. For City, it started off in 2010, 2012 when they won that first league. From there, their
City is
history
building
started.
their history,
So
yeah.
basically, our generation
like
is
living
watching
their
We
the
are watching
history.
this history.
Yeah.
getting
Watching them
created.
create history.
100 years later, when that generation will be like, oh fuck, City is a team. And then they'll be like, oh, this is time when they started that Aguero's goal.
Yes.
I still remember that commentary. Aguero! That's the best thing I've
You
ever
can't
heard.
deny that goal. Like everyone would remember, every City fan would remember that Aguero's goal if you would ask them.
Yeah. Alongside, like,
Coming
pretty
to
much.
history, I think we can say Liverpool.
Oh.
If you're going to talk about
Please,
Liverpool,
please, talk about Liverpool.
They have
Liverpool's match with
inconsistent
Real Madrid.
history, if you see.
Now,
Actually.
next.
We
So
might
what
make it
do
40.
you think PDB is the potential chance of Liverpool coming back against Real Madrid for this current team?
Okay,
For this
me
current
being okay, I'll give you an honest answer. First, I'll give you a Real Madrid fan answer. 0%. No chance. They're out.
Okay, that's the
Okay.
Real Madrid's perspective.
Now I'll say you this thing. No, the real football fan player version. The chances I see is very less. Okay, they're 3-1 down.
Yeah.
They're playing in Anfield. Anfield.
No, no.
If this was any other year,
Neutral or Anfield?
they're playing next game in Anfield.
They will be the home team
They'll
regardless.
be
Yeah.
they'll be the home team. So if this was any other year, I would have been scared. Like actually, I would have been like, Barca win 3-0 up.
Yeah.
Yes.
They lost 4-0 down.
Yeah. That is also there.
This time, since it's Anfield, I am happy because Liverpool did not have the best of the seasons in Anfield. Like their home performance
Yes,
was shit.
Yeah.
True.
Okay,
Even the Premier League and whatever
yeah,
they've been
Premier
playing,
League
it's
is also
like,
they are in 7th as of now. I think they're in 6th or 7th. I'm not
Seventh,
sure.
right?
Seventh.
7th. So the chances of them qualifying next year is also very hard because that place for second and third spot, West Ham are there, Chelsea is there, Leicester is there. So many teams are there. Liverpool, Tottenham also, very slight chance.
Yeah.
Tottenham also, they're 49
Yes.
points. So that is one concern Klopp will have. And then one more thing which I'm seeing is Klopp is not actually addressing the fact which actually is not happening. He's not addressing that they're not playing proper. Like last time what he said was the stadium was not good.
Klopp comes up with various kind
Yeah,
of
various
vague
Klopp
reasons.
has blamed the wind before,
Yeah,
so I'm
I
not
think
surprised
with
anymore.
those lame reasons where
Yeah.
people think like this can't be the reason for
I
a
know.
team to lose
I'm
with
like,
such good potential.
You are playing in 11-a-side ground. You're
Yes.
playing properly. What does it have to do with the stadium? Anyway, there is no fans, so makes zero difference.
There's no fan pressure for the opponent
Yeah.
team to get scared while playing against Liverpool or vice versa.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the recent game they didn't even play at Santiago Bernabeu.
Yeah.
So giving that excuse of that daunting stance, it wasn't there. It was just legit Manchester City.
And the performance in Premier League, they won the last game 2-1. Very, it's a win, but it's a very.
They scraped the barrel on
yeah,
that.
It was very not. It was not that satisfying. They won this winner in the last minute. Sadio Mane didn't look like he didn't want to play anymore. That tired legs was coming.
Yes.
They have no doubt they were the best team in 2019, 2018 when we beat them in Champions League final. They won the 2019 one. They won the 2020 this
League.
thing Premier League. I don't see them. They're also humans.
Yes.
They will get tired eventually. So I think this is the time where they're getting tired. I don't see them qualifying. But let's say a very 30-ish% chance unless and until like Salah or Sane comes.
Firmino
yeah.
does
Firmino.
something. But Liverpool had that deadly attack.
Yeah.
Salah, Firmino, Mane. People used to get scared looking at them.
Like you had your MSN in 2015.
Yes.
That was the same thing for Liverpool in 2019-20. Now
Exactly.
it's not there anymore. And why do I feel that's not there? Because they had a mad centre back. Now they don't have.
Yes.
Virgil might be there next year, but he's not there this year. He's injured. So I think that.
And maybe
fears
he's never
Klopp
going to be
somehow.
as good as he was as before because one ACL injury like that was
Yeah.
horrible and
Yes.
it's going to make a major change in his game. It's going to obviously reduce his speed probably for a long time, which was also a key part of his game. But then, they will surely be better than what they are now. I expect them to do well next year, or if not, they can't win the league, I guess. Because, City, the thing is, they don't loosen their grip on the title at all. As soon as they win it, they strengthen.
They try to
Yeah.
maintain that position.
They
Liverpool
hold on.
goes on and off and off, and in the end they do something and pull and
They come to
Yeah.
the top 4.
I won't be surprised if they make the Champions League next year, coming to top 4, considering the teams above them are not really, they aren't as well equipped to go to the Champions League as such.
But they have the harder run. Like they
Yeah,
are playing
yeah.
harder. They're
Yeah.
playing Chelsea. I don't think they're playing Chelsea. But West Ham has very easy go.
Yeah.
Chelsea has a very hard go. Leicester has a very easy go.
Yeah.
So I don't know if Liverpool will qualify, but yeah, I hope they do.
The moment when I realized like Liverpool is actually a team and like they lost the Champions League and the next year they're winning it and
Yeah.
Klopp showing the potential of this team that they are meant to win this league
Yeah.
and this cup, I felt like okay, Liverpool is actually defined now. They won the Premier League after so many years.
30 years.
Yeah,
31
30,
odd years.
32 some odd years.
30 years, yeah.
The fans went berserk after they won that thing.
Yeah.
And
That
I
too,
thought
the
like
COVID situation they won. There was a meme going on. No, Liverpool can't win. At the end of the world, they'll win.
yeah.
Technically, that was defined, but they won.
yes, win is a win. Irrespective
Yeah.
of how they won it,
Yeah.
they won it. With that good team, the defense was so good. They had Robertson.
Yeah.
They had this one. Even their
But
goalkeeper.
they've made their identities in Liverpool.
Yes.
There's no star signings like other teams did. Like Andy Robertson used to play for Hull 5 years ago. Andy Robertson was there. Gini Wijnaldum has played for Newcastle and there. And then
They've come-
Alisson was a bench player for Chesney at Roma.
Yes.
Not so far back.
I feel like Klopp has that potential to bring out the best of every player when he trains them.
They
He makes
did a
players.
proper rebuild from
Yeah, a
2015.
proper, yeah.
They did a proper rebuild. They took their time. They showed what it's done, and now they're tired.
Yeah,
You
now
have
it's
to give
like
them one season off. Even after winning 3 Champions League, we didn't play 2019 that well. We didn't even qualify to the semis, quarters, I guess. We were out. So you have to give them one season off. Ki, haan, see, it's fine.
it happens.
It
like,
happens,
on and
yeah.
offs are a part of the thing.
That is
journey.
what defines football. Otherwise, if like there
You
was
can't
a
expect one team to win and all the years they only keep
yeah,
winning.
there was a
Yeah.
Nike ad, like very old Nike ad where the whole situation was ki they make robots. They eventually the robots keep winning.
Yeah.
I
Ah,
if
yeah,
you have
yeah,
seen
yeah,
that ad,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
too
I know
good.
that.
Huh. So that
Guys, please
if-
do watch that Nike ad of robots.
yes.
Risk
You love
everything.
it.
So eventually the whole game turns boring. That is what, and then these people, the actual players come and then
humans.
the human players come and they risk everything. So that if there is one stagnant team at the top, it becomes boring.
Yes.
Like Barca's
talk about
10-11 or some side, whatever it is. They in the Netflix documentary Barca Dreams, they did mention that the players eventually got legitimately tired of Guardiola. You know how even after winning important games or winning trophies, he calls the player to the side and he's explaining the tactics to him. Things like that. Barca were, so strict and they used to always stick to his tactics.
Yes.
So then eventually that, say the fire in the belly basically
Yeah.
runs out, which other managers like Sir Alex Ferguson,
He
his
is-
Man United didn't run out of fire because he gave each and every player the respect they deserve and the rest they deserve, which probably modern managers can't do.
Yeah, because so much pressure is on them because it's
Yeah.
become the
Yeah.
whole thing is so much money related now. The moment you lose,
Exactly.
It
You
becomes-
will be sacked for
Yeah.
no reason. You won't even know. You just get a notice tomorrow morning saying you're sacked from the.
Frank Lampard,
Yeah,
Chelsea.
exactly. I'm saying that only.
Yeah. The fee
talking about
is
Chelsea,
directly related.
Chelsea
Chelsea
fan.
Porto.
Chelsea fan.
fan.
How you must be very happy you got the easiest draw.
Yes.
First, secondly, you won 2-0 away.
It was a very good win.
It was very good.
Chelsea
win.
played really good football.
Huh.
They've been playing very good football.
I saw Mason Mount's goal.
Yes.
Too good. One
Even-
touch, turn around, shoot it away, like second post. Too
Even,
good.
Exactly.
Even Chilwell's run in with the and then attacking the football
Yeah.
and then running away from the goalkeeper and tapping it in was beautiful.
Very good. But the only thing which scares me as Chelsea fan is one madman. His name is Pepe.
Yeah.
He destroyed Juventus. I don't know if he can destroy Chelsea.
Yeah.
That is also there.
That
I'm
one-
like Potter have come back and beaten Juventus away, so could be possible also.
Yeah.
could be possible, but,
But then a 2-0
See, they
grip
scored-
lead like that, I
Yeah.
don't think Chelsea
And
will give
see,
it up.
Chelsea were not consistent back then. Now they've been playing very good football.
But they lost 5-2.
Yeah,
Ah,
they
then
did lose
that's a blip.
5-2. But then this is a major league, so all the players might be concentrated on
Huh.
this game. And down the lane, we don't know what's going to happen to the result. But then I feel like Chelsea is going to give in their best to qualify.
Obviously.
Yeah. I think like the Chelsea, the first thing that Thomas Tuchel did under Chelsea was tighten up the defense, and if you basically tighten up your defense against Porto, Chelsea are pretty much through.
Yeah.
I'll be very surprised if Porto go
wins.
through from this
But
situation.
in this Champions League, I think the Chelsea and Porto draw.
Yeah.
No one is giving that importance. They're all
Yeah,
more
yeah,
active
yeah.
in the major league. So
I
you
think it's
never know
because-
some
yeah.
team popping out and going to the
might
semis,
be the black
finals, and
horses.
can never be like.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see Drogba doing that for Chelsea and winning the Champions League.
2012. Whom did you win
Against
against?
Bayern Munich.
Yeah.
but we came back and won the next season.
Yeah,
Yeah,
By
you did
showing-
win, but then I'm talking about Chelsea's aspect.
yeah.
Yeah, so you never know, like a team like Chelsea also.
Chelsea also might can
Can go-
I
go to
would-
the finals.
I would never want Chelsea to come to semi-finals, play against us or Liverpool, and go to finals.
Yeah, but then the odds might be different. Like,
Yeah,
yeah,
I-
new talent is everywhere. Chelsea, I used to know the team well, like Drogba, Lampard. What do you
yeah.
say? Even that, who was that? John Terry,
John
the
Terry,
main
yeah.
man for the Chelsea's. Those were the OG squad of Chelsea. Now Chelsea is refined completely. I don't see.
but
any,
you see, Chelsea squad this year before the season starting, it was. I was.
Completely, I was.
He being Arsenal fan, I remember talking to him.
Yeah,
he was like,
I was-
"Bro, this time I'm actually scared. Chelsea
I was
might
genuinely
perform
scared
good."
of Chelsea.
Now the thing is, they didn't perform that good
Yeah,
till December.
exactly.
Okay, then he was. Him being Arsenal fan again, he was damn happy.
Yeah.
Now once Thomas Tuchel came, he changed everything. Defense solid. I think that's the only 5 goal you've
Tom Tuchel
conceded
got
properly.
Silva back, so I think
Yeah.
he knows how to make Silva control
The
the, whole
PSG,
defense.
yeah.
Exactly, they have that connection. So Silva is using that
Like,
and he's controlling.
from
the
here
whole
it
And
can
he's a
go
leader.
two ways for
Yes.
Chelsea.
He leads Brazil. He used to lead Brazil. I don't know if he'll play 2022 World Cup. I don't
I
think
hope
so.
he
not.
plays, but then like
I know he won't
I
be.
hope he plays, but I don't think so. I don't
since
think-
he being a leader for so many years, he's got that experience how
At
to
least he'll be
handle
in the
these
bench.
young talent
Yeah.
people who have the potential to do
Yeah,
something.
every other Brazilian centre back right now is young and he's still learning.
Yeah.
There's Gabriel, there's Eder Militao, then there's the other Gabriel from Valencia.
Huh.
There's Marquinhos who can play at centre back. So basically, the era of our David Luiz's and our Thiago Silva's are basically going.
Yes.
But then they are teaching these players.
yeah, they have those experience points. Defense point, I would say, first is Puyol, Ramos,
Yeah.
John Terry, and these
Huh.
type of people are the ones who are encouraging, pushing the defenders to
Yeah.
do their best. You saw Ramos telling that your player to break Morata's leg for the
Ha, ha,
one-on-one.
ha.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
no defender would do that.
No
You like
one
go
would do
for
that.
his leg, break him, let us get a card.
that
we don't
confidence
mind.
will come.
Yeah.
See, eventually football, it happens with me also. I was very lack of confidence. Then my senior came up to me and like, don't worry about cards. Just go play your game.
Yeah.
Be a bull. I'm a striker, so I had to be a bull. I played in Manipal. The first thing which I did was I did a yellow card foul. Luckily I got away, but that confidence was.
Yeah, once you get that confidence, that one moment
Huh.
is there where people need to get then. Once you get the confidence, you see people performing very well. The
Talking about
difference.
confidence, Timo Werner. I don't know where
Yeah.
his confidence is. I'm actually very disappointed to see.
Even though like I obviously as an Arsenal fan I wouldn't want him to do superb, but I expect him to do well. But and you know when any player feels for the memes and stuff, you're like okay fine, you laugh at it, but then later you look back and reflect as this could have been a very good player to watch.
Yes.
At least as a neutral, and you can't get to watch him because he has lost all confidence.
In
almost.
Leipzig, he was a rocket.
Yeah.
He used to score goals for fun.
Yeah.
That time, the moment he started dipping out of form, my first initial was, okay, Bundesliga is a farmer league. It's not the art to score. But when eventually I saw his goals for Germany, and then what I'm seeing now,
Yeah,
like
yes.
the last goal, the 5-2, he could have, any striker would have slotted that ball in. He eventually passed to Mount, and then Mount somehow scored that. That is very heartening to see as a football fan, as a striker. I was
Exactly.
like, Warner, where are you? But
Yeah, but I do feel that this Chelsea side, which will gel over the next few years, as if they keep their, if they
Momentum
keep
going
Havertz, Ziyech, Werner also eventually, there's Tammy Abraham, all these players, if they can gel well, then this
Stick
side
on
will
for
easily
some
win the
time.
league.
yeah,
And play
that's
their
what the
position in
rebuild,
proper
which,
game.
rebuild which we were talking about
What with
for Liverpool.
Liverpool?
Yeah.
Everyone has come now. They have played one. They have already playing good in Champions League. They played 2 more seasons properly. They'll be the team to beat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thomas Tuchel also told we want to build a team that other teams are scared to play off.
Yeah, yeah.
That is what will happen. I feel in 2 years.
Exactly. But you're coming to talking about Farmers League, like Bundesliga, the league where PSG and all are performing.
Yeah.
Premier League and La Liga teams feel like this is an easy team to beat. They don't give much importance
Huh.
because they feel like they're playing all these unnamed teams which are not being
Not so famous players.
Exactly. But then when they face them, they get to know the real deal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's how your all other big players have come up, right? So eventually you see your last
You see,
season
football
Leon.
is evolving everywhere. Even though it's not coming to a word, everywhere it's evolving.
See, I personally feel that the want to win. Like,
yes.
See, if we get to play
Yeah.
in Champions League football now, I am pretty sure we would fucking give our lives to make
Bet
sure
my
that
life,
we
do
win.
anything
Yeah.
and go for that.
But
title.
Champions players who have already won it, they'll be like, okay, fine, we have won it already. They won't say it out loud, neither it'll come to their
Yeah.
head, but it'll be in some back of their mind. Ki, okay, fine, I've won it, I can try for next year. We are not like that. Someone
Once in
like,
a lifetime
yeah,
opportunity.
Yeah.
like let's say Borussia Gladbach this
Yeah.
season, or Lyon last season,
Yeah.
or Ajax 2018-19. It was their chance, they took it.
Yes.
Now they're not. See, Ajax are not there anymore. You saw in that team. You saw what Van de Beek. You saw your Ziyech.
Van
You
de
see
Beek.
your Delete.
Right.
Now you
De
see
Jong.
your
Yeah,
De
De
Jong.
Jong.
All these players.
Even
that
David
season,
Neres, David Neres now.
Yeah.
They
They
played
had built
so
that.
good.
Yes.
that want to win is what these teams thrive upon.
Exactly.
And they
But also, I feel like Eredivisie gets a bit hard done every year because they have to play the qualifiers each and every time. Ajax is such a big club. Surely the coefficient points in UEFA.
They have won 4 times, I
Yeah.
guess, Champions League, which is
The coefficient system maybe there needs to change, and I think like the league winner in Eredivisie should be directly allowed to enter into the Champions League because every year they start their season earliest. And obviously because of that their gas might run out during the season. I can assure you, if they put the same level of performances which they put in the 18-19 season and they started along with the bigger teams, they would have surely reached the final. They wouldn't have lost to Tottenham.
And the best thing about the 18-19 team, even though we lost to them 4-1 at home,
Yeah.
the best thing which I would like was there was no big players.
Yeah,
no big
all
name
were-
players.
They were a team.
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 The thing which the coach said was, we play simple football.
Yes.
Yeah.
Who said that? Johan Cruyff, the best,
Yeah.
probably the inventor of tiki taka, who took Barcelona to a next level. They played simple football.
Goal.
That guy, Johan Cruyff told, we play simple football, but it is very hard to play simple football.
Yes.
Simple football is the hardest football to play.
Yeah, people don't tend to pass the ball, move along with the ball. They
Yeah.
see an opportunity where they can perform and get their name out. You
Yeah.
see big clubs.
So
Real Madrid depended on Ronaldo when he was
Yeah.
there.
there.
Barca being
depending
on
on
Messi
Messi.
all the time. Like
It's a
you
whole
can't
decade
expect
of
someone to
dependence.
perform every time. Even Ronaldo cannot perform
They're
every
not.
time.
They're humans. They're not
Yeah.
machines.
Yes.
So right now, past 3 years, what we're seeing from Liverpool, from Bayern, past 3 years is that football is evolving. It's no more a
Individual sport.
individual
Yeah.
sport of giving it to one person and he's gonna
Exactly.
show the team. It's like a proper team game now.
I think
so
also
everyone has to
with
perform.
this one of the few things which the pandemic brought along and did well for football is as soon as the fans went, many players lost the fear. So
Yeah.
Burnley going to Anfield was an easy affair for Liverpool.
Hmm.
It's just like a cakewalk to 3 points. Now Burnley go there, Liverpool, they see an empty stadium and it's a narrow pitch as well. And a team like Burnley is legit long ball, win the header and try and create
Yeah,
a chance from there.
That intimidating factor is not
Yeah,
there
and
anymore.
there's first of all, since there's no Virgil van Dijk, Liverpool
have
lose
lost
their
their
pace as well.
backbone.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
main reason why Liverpool might
But then
not
this
be
is a temporary effect.
Yeah, it is.
You can't keep the fans away from football.
Football.
See, that's the
Yeah.
12th man.
Yeah.
Basically, they say no 12th man. That
The-
intimidation
Yeah.
brings. You
Without
go-
them, they wouldn't have
you
beat
go to,
Barca.
You go to camp now, that 100,000 people,
Yeah.
you see them they're chanting their anthem, you will be scared.
Scared.
Yeah, I
You-
might start shivering listening
Yeah.
to the opponent team, looking the way they are rebelling at us and the way we get
You
that
go to
fear.
Anfield, it's closed stadium, it's a packed stadium,
Yeah.
it fucking echoes.
Yes.
Every former player who has played, who's currently a manager, everyone says that going to Anfield is the toughest fixture. Doesn't matter where Liverpool are in the table. Arteta, I remember Arteta saying when he used to play for Everton or Arsenal, going to Anfield was like walking a road where there is no direction. It's like you're just going
Yeah.
somewhere. You can't play
Liverpool
football.
having Gerrard.
Yeah.
Stevie G.
Yeah.
Is potentially the the
But
greatest
right
leaders
now,
in football.
it's not about the individual sport. It's about
Huh.
the team.
Yeah,
Ajax,
the team.
all these unnamed teams playing that simple, basic football,
Simple, basic
and
football.
overcoming these big, giant teams is a
Yeah.
key factor for where football can evolve
Yeah.
Yeah.
drastically.
Talking about
The
simple
last
football,
game.
yeah. What do you think about El Clasico, which happened yesterday?
It wasn't
before.
simple at all, except for Real Madrid's goals, which came from simple football. There was nothing else simple in that game.
The second half, though, I don't know.
Yeah,
I've never seen so much rain anywhere. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it legit felt like at one point of time they might pause
stop
the game.
the
or
game.
They
something.
might
Yeah.
stop the game. It was raining so heavy.
Yeah.
Again, Messi. It was. I don't know if it will be
Lackluster
the last El Clasico for Messi or not. He's not scored in 6 El Clasicos.
And Barca
No,
have lost their 3 El Clasicos consecutively.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I remember that one El Clasico where Messi scored the last minute and
Three-
removed his
yeah,
shirt.
3-2,
I think that was the only
screamer.
match they won, and after that they've lost all the El Clasicos.
That was a screamer at the last minute. Okay.
Yeah, that
Even
was a
though
game-taking
Barca fans,
screamer,
You
yeah.
might hate me. People. I don't care.
Obviously, they will hate you.
Yeah. Yeah, but then talking about that was the only time they won the El Clasico. After that, Real Madrid have shown what they are.
Even in
El Clasico.
El Clasico Super Copa,
Yes.
the one which Asensio and the Cristiano removed it, the
Yes.
revenge moment. After that, I've never seen Barca play properly. They
There
are-
was the occasional final thumping and stuff. Vidal's debut as well, his first goal for Barca. These were good performances. Where Barca, I'll say till 2019, it looked like Barca were always the favourites in El Clasico. From like 2012
Yes.
to 2019, that period, I'd back Barca to win the game like easily 60 to 65%. But then what Real Madrid did is, after this period where they were constantly changing the managers, this time they were like,
Zidane
bring back a
coming
guy.
in.
Yeah.
Bring back a guy who has the winning formula for Real Madrid.
Yes.
Which is Zidane. He came back, he tightened up the screws, they stopped losing El Clasicos, and now they look like the more likely team every time to win the El
Exactly.
Clasico. Despite their team injuries, squad depth, whatever.
I think
it
we
is.
played our third right back.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
You
you
played
played
your
with your
third
last
and fourth
option
right
to
back.
yeah, we
lean in.
played with the last option and still they were somehow better
They
than.
played good.
Yeah, Barca. See,
See,
Barca is
Eventually, Barca's game changed
Yeah.
when Iniesta, Xavi left the game,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
team. That was like a 3-man squad for them. Even when MSN was there, they never depended on Messi. You can't expect Messi to perform all the time. You don't see
Barca's
chances.
overall game, it
Yes.
dipped as soon as Iniesta was taken off against Roma. As soon as he got substituted back then, since then, Barca's overall game has completely dipped. Yeah, they won 2 league titles that year and the next year.
Barca is a league team.
But then they
you
have to win the
expect them
league.
to win league titles. See, Madrid is a cup team. We play for cups.
Yes.
We are not that consistent. I'll say we're not that consistent over 38 period of games.
Yes.
You give us 12 games. Last time finals. How did we win? We had 11 games. We saw that as okay, yeah, fine. 11 games we
Yeah,
have to win
a short
continuously.
period is more.
We won all 11.
Exactly.
We won all 10, and the last one we went into when we had already won the cup.
Real Madrid have this thing where they see the near future and then they concentrate on this much. They take it game by game and they'll get the result which they needed. Barca
It might be
last
ugly,
year in
but we get
league
it.
went in with that fear of we can't lose here. We can't drop points here. As soon as we drop points, they'll catch up.
Yes.
So they played with
They
fear.
play with a fear which is already there, but then
Yeah,
they don't
yeah.
have to fear about it.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
just have to go and
Real
play on
Madrid
it.
didn't fear it at all. It's like we are clearly kind of underdogs to win the title this year. Let's go and play our football. They played their football.
They won.
They won the league title. It didn't feel real them
Yeah.
winning the league title until
Because
the last 2 games.
Barca were 6 points above us. Like
5-6 points.
5-6
Yeah,
points above.
Yes.
We somehow caught up and we won.
Barca
because-
in the end they gave up, like they drew matches in the last
But
season.
Madrid fan, obviously, I hate Barca. But as a football fan, see,
You can't hate
I
any
can't hate
club.
Barca.
You're playing good, you have to agree to the point that
2008-9 Barca, 2009-10 Barca was too good
good.
to watch. I don't see that team dropping off so down. They're not that down as of now, but I'm just scared. Okay, fine. Messi might stay this year. Messi might stay 1 more year,
Yeah.
2 more seasons. He's 33, 36 max.
37,
Yeah.
keep it like at the point where like his
Yeah.
peak time is.
Yeah.
But after that, what?
Barca needs to have a substitute for him. They can't just depend on
Yeah,
one
you
guy.
can't. You just can't. Like, see, Real Madrid faced a major issue when they changed Ronaldo.
Yeah. They
when
had their
2019
downfall.
they went like from champions. They just went out.
Yeah.
When Messi goes, I feel Barca will have a heavier fall.
Exactly.
Unless and until the young group of players they have
take
faith
the
in them.
responsibility
Yeah.
and start
They
performing
believe in
well.
themselves.
Yeah, and for that, I think you need a solid manager. I don't know if Koeman is going to manage them or if Xavi is going to come back.
Plus, you need patience. You need a
Yeah.
lot of patience. Because
But-
as soon as the team starts dropping, what Real Madrid did was, which slowed their progress, was constantly
They
change
kept on
managers.
changing the managers.
Constant change of managers obviously won't help the players, won't help the club, won't help the manager himself. And Barca started changing their manager again and again. They need to kind of stick with Koeman until there's a long-term solution at least, and then just wait it out, have the patience, and then eventually they might succeed. or at least if they're not, obviously it's very tough to go back to the previous Barca which they were.
Yeah, previous Barca was next level. You
Yeah,
had
yeah.
Xavi, Iniesta, Messi,
Yeah.
Puyol.
You had 11 ready.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
you had David Villa, the ultimate man who came out of
The
nowhere.
Spain team, which won 2008, 2010,
Yeah.
2012, two
Yeah.
Euros, one Champions League. How many Barca players were there? Except Iker Casillas and Ramos.
Yeah, the whole Spain team was in the
was
Barca
Barca.
squad, or the
Yeah.
Barca squad in the Spain squad.
Spain team.
Yeah.
That
Let's say
was
that.
such
It
a
was
good
pretty
team.
much
The
Real
Spanish
Madrid,
era.
Real Madrid
Barca's
and Barca
Yeah.
combine them, and just as a complimentary from England, have one Arsenal player there, Cesc Fabregas. Just keep him over there
Yeah.
Yeah.
and watch him do his thing. But yeah, of course, Cesc also eventually moved to Barca.
But then over the year back then, when you see 2009 to 2013 period, Barca was at its peak
Yeah.
when Puyol was there,
Yeah.
and you could see the downfall when all these OG players
In
started.
2015, they had a good season with Neymar.
Neymar,
Yes.
yeah.
Luis
And
Enrique left, went on to coach the national team. Now you see Barca.
Neymar,
Barca
yeah, I
again.
think Neymar leaving Barca also was a sudden shock for Barca because they
Yeah.
had that MSN,
Yeah.
which was very deadly.
Yeah.
They didn't depend on Messi that time. Suarez was there.
They're like, yeah, it's a trio.
Yes.
The BBC for Real Madrid, the MSN for
Exactly.
Barca.
Yeah, and yeah, as soon as there's always one player who, as soon as he leaves the team, you're like,
The whole team's
yeah,
potential
it's
drops,
going
right?
down. Yeah, from then on, they might perform well, but they're not going to be at their peak.
Yeah, you saw that MSN when like they came back against PSG.
6-1.
Yeah,
6-1.
what was that? I didn't expect that coming
Yeah,
from
no one
that team.
expected
Like,
Barca, I
yeah.
leave any team if to.
A Real
I
Madrid
never
fan
expected only.
accepting the fact that Barca played that good football.
6-1 football, 6-1 that too. Oh, I just told you, I don't know.
Back to a comeback. Not
Yes.
just a game, a
Exactly,
comeback.
a comeback.
All my Barca friends told me, they legit cried. I have a friend called Sacek, okay? He legit told
Yeah.
me, bro, that day night I was crying at 3 in the morning. So that's the emotion.
Yes.
6-1. Bro, leave anything. That 6-1 game was too mad.
Yes.
That too end moment, Sergio Roberto just fucking touching the ball, goes
and
on.
it goes in.
Too good, bro. Too good.
Legitimately coming back from a 4-0 deficit in a gully game,
Ah.
look tougher than, and Barca are making it look so easy.
Yeah.
But then fans were a 12th man in the game.
That too,
but still,
that too, PSG came and scored one.
They
Yeah,
did.
Cavani.
they had the away goal advantage.
They had the away goal advantage also, and still they beat. Okay, so for the final predictions of second leg Champions League, let's start off with the first game. Bayern.
What are your predictions?
Bayern, I'm hoping Bayern comes back, so I'll say 4-1 for Bayern.
4-1, too ambitious. I think.
Yeah,
I think
that's a lot.
PSG goes through.
I have
PSG
the same
goes
feeling.
through.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
goes
I still feel that Bayern could go through. Considering I'm feeling a PSG red
PSG
card.
goes
for
through.
PSG goes through.
PSG goes
PSG.
through.
No, I want PSG to go through. Let me make that clear. I want PSG to go through, but I expect them to get a red card in this game and lose the lead.
Who?
Too ambitious.
Too
4-1
ambitious,
and
but
I don't know, I
Neymar
just
got
feel
3
it
red cards in
coming.
this season, so I'm not saying
Yeah,
anything. But
exactly, something like that.
Yeah, so 4-1 is his prediction. Let's see
4-1,
what's gonna
okay,
happen.
let's see.
Yeah.
From a Bayern fan,
Bayern fan, yeah.
saying 4-1.
Any
So-
Bayern fans, if you don't win 4-1, if you lose, you know where he stays.
Yes.
Okay, you don't know where he stays, just let me know, I'll say where he stays.
Comment down in the section and ask us the location.
We'll give it to you, no
We'll let
worries.
you know, we'll let you know.
Why? You are our friends.
God.
Yes.
And okay, I'll give you one thing. He studies in Italy. Okay, next Chelsea game. Chelsea fanboy.
Chelsea.
3-1.
3-1. You
Yes.
expect Porto to score.
Yes, I feel Porto is the team which wants to win also, right? So
Huh.
you can't just see Chelsea's point of view. So Porto might get one chance and they might.
3-1.
Yeah.
Aggregate 5-1. Chelsea is going
Yeah.
through for me.
Yeah,
but
Chelsea's going to go through.
I think
3-1.
I think Chelsea will stay back, defend hard,
So,
score
I'm
one in one counter, and then keep quiet the whole game.
pretty much.
It'll
They
be
might
boring.
just do that.
I think
yeah, almost same thing. 2-1, pretty much something like that itself.
Yeah, close to
2-1.
3-1.
I'm thinking a 1-1
2-1.
draw will happen.
Yeah,
but then
it'll
Chelsea
be close
will
to
go
a
through.
draw, but Chelsea will come back and
am
score
I the
one
only
goal.
person who's seeing Chelsea is too good in defense? I don't see them.
No, I don't see it this time. I personally feel that Porto will go all guns blazing, so I'm predicting a 1-1 win, 1-1 draw.
Okay, I see 1-0. Okay,
Yeah.
next.
So what about
And
your
Real Madrid
We're
Liverpool?
winning. I don't know. We're just winning. I think. We don't have Lucas Vazquez, so I'm not being so forward to scoring. I think we'll stay back like the 10 minutes of El Clasico. We stayed back full complete. Fucking all 11 men were there only.
Yeah.
So we'll stay back most of the game. If still Liverpool can't score, then it's F. But I think it'll be 1-1.
No, you're expecting
1-1.
a draw.
I expect a draw
Okay.
because we don't have proper players right now.
Hmm.
unless and until Cruz, Modric, Casemiro do their magic again, I expect a 1-1 draw. We go through 4-1.
Yeah, eventually you're just going through.
We're going through. Liverpool, no chances.
Oh God.
Last time a team said something like this, they went through. So
You can expect
Anyway,
some
yeah.
miracle happening.
Yeah,
And what
the-
were your predictions for the last game?
Arsenal fan, Man City. You don't have any teams for Man City.
Man City.
and
Dortmund.
City, Dortmund.
It'll be a 1-1, but City will go through. I'm pretty sure.
1-1 City.
1-1 again.
Wow.
Another
So
one.
That will be damn close. I'm saying you that will be
because
damn
that
close.
game is going to be very nervy, and then in case Dortmund get the first goal, City will have a moment.
Okay, if Dortmund scores, if Dortmund goes through, is Haaland coming to City?
I really doubt
No,
that.
if no, I think
I'm not
still,
sure. I'm not sure City because Pep did say that City are not
Pep
going
says
to
a lot of
Pep
stuff.
says
He-
he's
talks a
lying.
lot, but then he
Yeah.
does something.
Yeah, it's just a bluff. City will sign a striker with Aguero leaving and Jesus not starting. So might as well be Haaland. So I am expecting something like a 1-1. But if Dortmund score
I tell
first,
you what's more cheekier. Dortmund 2-1 goes extra time penalties.
Oh,
That'll be
Because-
intense. That'll be too
oh,
intense.
that will be too
Because
intense.
this is the closest match till date. Even Bayern PSG is, but I'm expecting either one of the
The
teams.
Yeah.
most intense will be
Will go through
Dortmund
easily.
and this one.
Dortmund, City has 2 away goals.
City
no?
is such
No,
a good
two
team,
home
but
goals.
we are still
Dortmund has
discussing
one
how
away
they
goal.
might
Oh,
lose.
yeah.
Yeah,
fine.
Dortmund has an away goal
advantage.
Yeah,
Anyway,
that's pretty much our
close,
predictions
yeah.
for the coming
yeah.
Champions League.
we might be completely wrong. None of the teams might go through, but we know we won't
Yeah.
be.
No, I'm pretty sure 1 or 2 are definitely.
Yeah, 1 or
going.
2 will be
Chelsea
correct.
and Real
Okay,
Madrid.
scoreline we might be wrong.
confident, yeah.
Anyway,
Prediction wise, teams going through, we might be correct.
how
Yeah.
about La Liga? Who is winning La Liga this year? 67, 66, 65. 8 games to go. Real Madrid playing Champions League. Atletico and Barca are not playing anything.
So I
60-40
have
Real Madrid.
60-40 Real Madrid. 100-100 Real Madrid next.
30-70.
30-70.
70?
72?
Real Madrid chance of winning
Ah,
it because they have an upper
I
hand.
like the
because
odds. I
Yeah,
like
yeah.
the odds.
This is this point where Zidane is too focused.
I know.
Yeah.
Zizou, my man.
Yeah.
Boy and boy.
Real
Real
Yeah.
Madrid.
Oh, so
Real Madrid will
So,
all Barca fans
eventually-
do not hate. Just,
Yeah,
even
we're
follow
just
our
trying to
channel
be
and let
practical.
them
Yeah,
decide for us.
I haven't paid them even though this is slightly my podcast. I haven't paid them.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I don't like Real Madrid. It's just
We're
saying
doing
I
this
like
for-
Barca,
you're
but
playing-
I
yeah.
just don't.
Next one we're
Everyone's
getting
doing
paid
it for
for
free.
sure.
Yeah, next
Yeah.
time for sure you're gonna get
Getting
paid.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Talking about paying, we have been very lucky to be sponsored
Sure.
this episode by. Okay, so you guys already know we are shooting on a turf. So this turf is called the Sports Habitat.
Acharya.
Acharya. So there are 3 locations as of now open. This turf is expanding in many other locations in Bangalore. In Bangalore, maybe in other cities soon.
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully.
And
Not
the 3
hopefully, it will
locations
soon.
in Bangalore is
Hopefully soon.
one you know
Yeah.
is the Sports Habitat Acharya, the second one is the Sports Habitat Yashwantpur, and the third one is the Sports Habitat JP Nagar.
Yeah, so basically we have covered all north and south.
Yes.
We'll be opening in
Phase
Koramangala
wise, we're
soon.
gonna open our other centers also.
Yeah,
But the situation here seems to be a bit cheeky, so
Yeah.
we have to look into that also.
COVID all scenes, but
Yes.
yeah, we so
These
there
are the 3 centers which are open currently. You can feel free, book.
yeah,
come
you can
play.
book anytime. It's,
And we have a special deal for you.
yeah, we have a special deal for you. Okay, so since it's sponsored, they have given us 25 coupons. 25
Giveaways.
coupons to give away for you guys, which has 50% worth. So you give away these coupons, you get a game for like half the price, or you can get a 1 hour of game in 2 hours of price.
Yes.
Like 2 hours of game in 1 hour of
yeah,
price. Sorry,
2
my
hours
bad.
of game and 1 hour of price.
Yeah.
I would definitely go for this one.
Yeah,
If
I'm
I
doing
get
that
the chance
next
to
week.
comment and
I'm
See,
doing it next week
The
if I
thing
get a
is,
coupon.
I can't use the coupons because they'll not let me in with the coupons.
I
You
think
guys can.
I am not allowed.
Yeah, none of. So you won't see us using the coupons.
Yes.
How will you win the coupons? Simple. Subscribe to us if you like. If you don't like, also if you want the coupon, subscribe.
Yes.
That's all it matters.
Subscribe and just give a comment of your predictions
Yeah,
for
give
the
the
coming
prediction.
Champions League.
If you're close enough, I'm
yeah.
not even saying you need to
Yeah.
win. We are not gods unless and until
Yeah.
you're
Also,
the octopus.
hate Ikshit in the comments, please.
Yeah. Put
Yeah.
For horrible predictions.
Yes.
Comment and subscribe. We'll have a lucky draw. Even if
Yeah.
you're not close to the scoreline or nothing doesn't matter. We
anything you want to comment, who wins La Liga? Okay, La Liga we might not be. Okay,
Yeah.
Champions League we can. Champions League, whoever wins closest, like if you say 3-1, they win 4-1, we give it to you. Just comment down, let us know what scenes, how everything is going on, and then yeah, you can win the coupon. 25 coupons. You might win all 25 coupons. You might win only 1 coupon. Depends on how you comment.
Yes.
That's all.
Basically, follow us on everywhere. Listen to us everywhere.
Exactly.
Just do the basics. Just,
Yeah.
just
You can
be on
find
the
video,
socials.
the
like the
sports
video.
habitat.
Huh.
Yeah.
Like the video, subscribe and comment.
Also, would
Yeah.
be dumb not to use the 25 coupons.
Yes, I
Just
would
use the
definitely
25
go
Yes,
coupons.
50% off. It's basically 12 games free.
Yeah.
Exactly. You can find us on Playo and Khelo More. Just type the sports habitat. You'll find all our 3 centers.
Yeah.
Feel free to book at any time. Now,
Yeah.
since curfew is going around, we're gonna shut down at 9:30.
Yeah.
When there's no curfew, we're open for whenever
And it's
we require.
completely safe.
Yes.
This place is completely
Completely
safe.
Place
Everything
is,
is
hygienic.
checked.
We
place is
sanitize
obviously
the
fully safe. Yeah.
Equipment, everything is done, so you don't have to worry about the safety of your thing. So come, feel free, play with us.
Yeah, you want
Enjoy.
to play with us? Please, like, drop in, bro. We want
Yeah,
to play.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
we have our BIT captain over here.
Hey.
We have a Nitte goalkeeper.
Yeah, right. No.
International goalkeeper. If you want to play with him,
Yes.
just say, bro, we want to play with Ikshit Pujar.
Yeah,
Okay, his name is Ikshit Pujar now.
Future BMS captain for sure.
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
BMS and all, we'll see
everyone
later.
gets
Yeah.
their shout out.
Okay, fine. So yeah. So I guess that's a wrap.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
Sports Habitat. Thank you for sponsoring
Yeah.
this video for us.
And hope we can do more videos for you.
Yes.
If we get, let's say 150 likes, which is very high for us.
Yes.
Yeah.
If we get 150 likes,
Like-
we'll do one more.
Yes.
Whatever you say, we'll do.
Yes.
Just like, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, thank you.
Manan.
Yeah.